cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. To remove it, first open the glove box. Next, slide off the damper. Push the sides of the glove box towards the middle to release the pins. Pull down and remove the glove box. Next, lift up the cover. Now you can remove filter cover. Remove the old filter and replace it with a new one. It is recommended to change your air filter every 15,000 miles. Most service centers will charge you anywhere from $40 to $60 to do this simple job. Install the new filter with arrow pointing up. Complete the rest of the steps in the reverse order. I hope this was helpful, and if so, please subscribe to my channel to see more related videos.